Well, good morning, big guy. Somebody just woke up from a nice little nap. And you got the hiccups again. Yes, you got the hiccups again. Good morning. What are you looking at over there? Hey. Oh. Hi. Good morning. Yes, you're such a cute guy. Yes, you are. Oh, hi, buddy. Oh. Oh, bless you. Bless you. Lots of sneezes. Oh, and hiccups. You are just not having a good morning. But you're being a trooper. You're being so nice. Yeah, you're kind of tired still. Okay, we'll see if we can get you asleep again.